Hey guys, Tyler here with Kingston Yachts Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. Today, you join me aboard a gorgeous 2012 Cruisers 380 Express offered to you for sale by Kingston Yachts Sales by United City Yachts. This is going to be just a very quick video, little walkthrough here, but come on aboard, let's dig in. Well, thanks for joining me on this quick little video walkthrough. This 2012 Cruisers Yachts 380 Express, listed for sale currently by Kingston Yachts Sales by United City Yachts. We are Canada's yacht sales network. Whether you're buying, selling, trading, importing, exporting, U.S. buyers, we can help you out too. We do this every single day. The full listing link will be in the description below, and hopefully we'll see you aboard soon.